he doing?
Yeah, I don't know. What's going on. I don't know what they're doing. I have no idea what they're doing, to be honest. I mean, literally, I mean, can you see that on the camera?
Yeah.
What in the hell? What's going on, guys? We're out here today, and we're just out here gonna get some shots, and honestly, just kind of meet up with a friend of mine. And I mean, he's got a Ninja bike, and he's a pretty cool dude. You know, he's a dude that I go to the gym with. Just, I don't know, it's just kind of, he's got a badass bike, and we're gonna put it on the channel for today. You know, and I don't know, we're gonna do like a little reveal of it for y'all. So, and then later tonight, the plan is we're gonna meet up with like a friend of mine. His name is Dakin, and he's a good kid. He's a real good kid. He just got a I believe it's a 2013 Shelby. So, anyways, we're gonna go check it out, and he's probably gonna give me a ride along, and we'll get my reaction to it because I've never rode in the Shelby. So, anyways, but I guess other than that, we'll bring you guys along for the ride. So. Alrighty, so Cody just got back. This is my good buddy. We go to the gym and all that stuff. So, anyways, but he's got a badass bike that I kind of wanted to preview on the channel. Just kind of bring something new. How you been, man?
Doing pretty good, brother.
Yeah, it's good seeing you. Good seeing you. So tell me about the bike and let us know.
It's 2017 R6, 600cc. I haven't done too much to it. Mostly just cosmetic stuff like this. Take the mirrors off. I've got the ECM flashed on it, exhaust on this side, full exhaust from the headers all the way back.
It looks really good, man. It really does. And then you got the carbon fiber wrapped over the exhaust a little bit.
Yeah, it came like that.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'd like to get like a little cowling on the back to match it or something. I don't know, man. We'll put some carbon fiber in there.
Shoot, man. If you're down, fire this damn thing up and let's get a couple drive-bys.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, here we are. We're out here in Mexico. Here's my good buddy Dakin. He just got a Shelby over there. 2013, correct?
2013.
Alrighty, how many miles?
56,000.
Oh man, that's good. That's good. It's very nice. It's very clean. So what are we doing out here today?
We're gonna do some runs.
Quick little pull in this.
Don't do drugs, kids. Race cars are better. All right, folks. This is my first time riding in Zane's truck. Holy shit! Oh my God, this is fucking fast as fuck, dude. Jesus. Holy shit, that was fucking fast. That was crazy. Yeah.
Want me to bump it up?
No.
Sure. Oh.
I mean, sure.
That was on stock. Yeah, that was just a roller. It was what, a 35-ish.
Well, that was fucking fast.
Oh yeah.
And I drive a Shelby. That was
yeah.
fucking fast.
Oh yeah. I bumped it up one notch for you.
All right. Building boost.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Woo! Shit, this is like a rocket ship. Holy fuck, man. Heart is racing. Holy shit! Holy fuck! Oh my gosh. This truck is ridiculous. Oh my god.
We're only doing 136.
Alright.
140.
Oh my god. I hope that stayed on my face the whole time, because holy shit, it was perfect.
Oh, shit.
Jesus.
That was one notch. You want race mode?
No, I definitely don't want race mode. Holy shit. That bitch is wild, Zane. Whoa.
Yeah, that was good. That was good, wasn't it?
Yeah, that was crazy as fuck, man. I didn't think a truck could get to be like that. Holy gosh. That was fucking wild. Initial thoughts. Heart was racing as soon as I felt boost. Boost, boost.
Oh, yeah.
And it never stopped. Holy shit. I thought that boost was just going to be like, all right, I'm done.
Yeah.
Fuck no. Here I come.
So anyways, yeah, I guess that'll do it for his initial reaction of ride along.
My heart is still fucking racing. Fuck.
Oh, yeah, oh, yeah. Put it on the floor, put it on the floor.
Holy shit. Oh my god, it just grabs and then it's like, we're going. It doesn't stop. This is a truck.
So
all those fancy ass trucks that everybody gets, and they're like, yeah, this is a bad bitch. No, fuck that. This is a bad bitch.
line up against me at the red light. That doesn't have at
Fuck
least...
that.
That doesn't have at least 600 horse.
Fuck that. Don't do it.
Thanks, man. So I guess we're going to transition this over here and we're going to go take a joyride in his car for a minute.
We're going to be granny shifting, but we got it.
Literally, this is like his first day owning it. So he literally got it last night and you drove in, didn't you?
Yeah, I drove in and I've been tooling around in it ever since.
We're going to get to witness, you know, him learning how to drive it, and then we're going to come back out whenever he gets it down, and he's going to be on the channel a lot more. Like I said, this is my good buddy from high school, and, you know, it's just, it is what it is, you know, I mean.
Car guys.
Yeah, we're out here doing car shit, you know.
Car shit. Car shit with my car friends.
Hell yeah. Dude, it just pulls and it doesn't stop. It doesn't stop pulling. Holy shit. Dude, it's upgrade. It's
Yeah,
upgrade
right.
time.
Oh yeah.
Dude, who owned this before you? Your grandpa or what?
Yeah.
Oh, no shit?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, did this not come with any papers or anything? It doesn't tell you nothing?
Nope, it just came in the glove box. You said you're only gonna get it up to what?
Probably like maybe like probably only go through like 1 through 3. Oh my god, that's short.
Yeah, I told
Oh my
you,
God.
it's short.
Holy
It's
shit.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh my god.
You're in there, you know?
Yeah, oh yeah. Oh my god. Oh shit. Yeah, oh, it's a long fucking clutch. Holy
Yeah,
shit.
I told you.
Oh my
Give it a
god.
little bit.
You sure?
Alright.
Oh my god, bro. Dude, I like it. I love it so much. And how about downshifting? How is it on downshift?
Oh, downshifting's a little rough. It's kind of clinky, but
Oh, that's not too bad. Not too bad.
no, that was actually a
Dude.
pretty shift.
Oh yeah. Let's see if I can get the 1, 2 down. Oh, beautiful, bro.
Right?
Oh my, that was 1 through 4. That was beautiful. Oh my goodness. Third. Second. Oh my god. I could definitely daily this. I
Right?
could definitely daily
I told you the
this.
standard is going to be way more fun.
we caught this vehicle, this SUV up here, and they are they're on the wrong side of the road. And so I just called 911, and here's a deputy right here. So just giving an update for y'all on the vlog, and they're not stopping. They are not stopping.
They're literally, we don't know what's wrong with them.
We don't know what's wrong with them. They're not stopping. Matter of fact, they're speeding up. So, anyways, yeah, they are speeding up. I don't know what is going on. It's only about 2 in the morning, but we're on our way back from Mexico, and yeah, there's an SUV literally in the wrong lane, so wrong side of the road. So I don't.
They're not stopping.
No, they're not stopping. Literally, those cops were following them for like a good. I don't know. Hell, we turned the camera on as soon as the cop got here, so I don't know what's going on at this point. What in the hell? Oh, they're on the brakes. They're on the brakes.
Oh, they're getting over now.
Are they getting up?
They got their blinkers on.
Kind of a bad spot to pull over.
There's another one.
Yeah, I see that. Oh shit, they got their guns drawn. Oh shit. Oh, what? Oh shit. Yeah.
Oh, poor guy.
Is he drunk?
Probably. He's staggering.
Either that or he's old. I don't know what he's doing. Well, that was exciting.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I guess so. I mean, we're just coming back from Mexico, and I mean, fucking, I'm assuming he was drunk. I don't know. But the problem was he wasn't swerving or anything.
Yeah, that's the weird thing. I honestly think he was just senile.
Either that or meds, off his meds. I don't know what's going on. But anyway, so that's that. So I guess we'll see how when we get back home. So anyways.